So we'll begin by making our flatbread dough, and we'll start by placing 200 grams of self-raising flour into a mixing bowl. And then add in 180 grams of Greek yogurt, followed by 3 grams of fine salt and 10 milliliters of olive oil. Mix the ingredients until they come together to form a dough. Then place on a lightly floured workbench and knead for 5 minutes until it becomes smooth and soft. Shape into a round and place back into the mixing bowl. Set to one side while we make the filling. For the filling, take 100 grams of cherry tomatoes and then cut them into quarters and place them straight into a mixing bowl. Then take 1 red onion, cut it in half, peel it, and then we're going to finely dice 1/4 of it. We don't need the rest, so you can save that for another recipe. Place the diced red onion into the mixing bowl and then roughly chop 3 grams of basil. You can leave the stalks on here if you want because they taste delicious in this recipe. And then add in 100 grams of grated mozzarella and 60 grams of ricotta. Mix everything together and then season it to taste with salt and pepper. Next, take your flatbread dough and cut it into 4 equal sized pieces. Shape each piece into a round and then on a lightly floured workbench, roll them out until they're about 3 millimeters in thickness. Share your tomato and mozzarella filling over all 4 of the flatbread and then pinch the dough together at the top until the filling is fully covered. Place a frying pan over a low heat and once it's hot, add in the stuffed flatbread. Cook for 4 minutes on each side, leaving it on a low heat. We don't want it too high because we don't want them to burn on the outside, but we want them to heat right through in the middle, and then remove them from the heat. Cut into them, and that's your tomato and mozzarella stuffed flatbread ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.